Hi, welcome to Char-Griller. My name is Jeffrey. I'm the backyard pit master for Grill and Smoke Barbecue. Today, I'm gonna be giving you a video on how to do a tailgating favorite, which is gonna be some smoked beer brats. Let's do this. All right, so as I said, we're gonna do some smoked beer brats. It's real simple and easy, not too many items that you need. So of course, there's beer, which we'll be using this Guinness, which is their smooth and creamy edition. And we'll be having some onions that I've already prepared to be in there. We'll be using a little bit of minced garlic, a stick of butter, and the Char-Griller original seasoning. And this is basically like an all-purpose. You can use it on fish or any type of seafood, pork, beef, you name it, you can put it on there. And the star of the show, and those who watch my show know I like spicy food as well, is these Johnsonville brats, the hot and spicy variety. So we're gonna do this cook on the Char-Griller AKORN. And the acorn is gonna be running at around 400 degrees. So this shouldn't take too long, but the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is saute these onions to get them softened up, get the beer warm, so when we put the brats in there, they'll be good to go. So let's go on and start on that part. So like I said, you wanna have the stick of butter. Then you wanna get your onions in here. I want to add the Char-Griller original seasoning. Then you want not too much of this garlic, maybe about a tablespoon. Then you want to get your beer, of course, the star of the show. Like I said, we're gonna save the brats till this gets warmed up. Then we're gonna get those on there as well. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get these on the acorn. I'll meet you outside. All right, so let's go and get this on the smoker. Like I said, we have it about 400 degrees. Get this more, got the coals pushed more that way. That way it'll focus more on this. When I get ready to do the brats, I can set them here to get the color and it won't be as hot right here. All right, these have been going for about 20 minutes. Let's go and get these brats on. Give this a little bit of a stir. Those onions are starting to soften up. And like I said, while it's in here, it's not really gonna get much color. We're gonna take care of that at the end when we put it on this space to get the sear and the color on it. So we'll check back in about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. All right, these have been going for 15 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and just flip these over. And we'll get this side about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back out and put some color on it. It's been 10 more minutes. Let's go ahead and get these directly on the grate. Actually look like they gained a little bit of color, but not too much. We'll just leave this open while we do this, because it shouldn't take too long. And these onions are just soft enough. So these are basically done. And we're going to get this one back in here. Let me get this one in here. Now I'm gonna give these about 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna take them off. All right, so welcome back. That's the end of the cook. And of course, you follow my channel, you know this is my favorite part. And this is the part where I get to taste the food. So let's go ahead and dig into one of these beer brats. Oh, the question is, which one am I gonna take? Let's go ahead and go with this one. All right, in case you didn't notice, I do have a little bit of mustard on there. That's all I really like on my brats. No, I know some people might do ketchup and everything else. More power to you. I'm not one of those people, but I'm about to tear this one up. That's a good brat. And those onions, they also help to soak up some of the flavor that was in there with the Guinness and the Char-Griller original rub. Man, that's that is good. Let me go on and close this out so I can go on and finish eating this. I don't want to be rude and eat in your face. But thanks for joining me today as I did a video for Char-Griller. Please, if you have time, check out my channel, Grill and Smoke Barbecue. Head over there, subscribe to that channel as well. And other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.